Hey! Okay, so I just got a new laptop with Windows 11 on it. I know what you're thinking. Is it even worth it to move over? But honestly, everything still feels familiar. Okay, first things first. Getting Windows Hello up and running. My laptop can recognize my face, a fingerprint, or a PIN. You can just never be too careful these days, you know? But I don't need to remember my password to sign in. I can just use my PIN, and that's it. And here's what's cool. Files from my old device, saved to OneDrive so I can download them here. No fuss. Oh, I just learned about this one, but the Get Started app is so great for helping me feel at home. Got everything set up just the way I want. Let's see. Here's another. Microsoft Edge has kept me so organized in the transition. I just sign in and all my faves are right here. Bookmarks, settings, even my browsing history. It doesn't matter if I'm on my laptop or my phone. I got this new mouse too, the Ocean Plastic mouse. It's partially made from reclaimed ocean plastic. Love that. It's good for me and good for the planet. That's right.